It's the first time that I cook on the fire. I have to learn.
I'm here at a D's Coquette guest home with my Italian cook. Look at the colors in there.
Now it's a bean soup.
Nice. She's making a bean.
This is the bean.
Cold stove.
This is the bean.
Beans. Oh, the white navy beans.
Yeah,
That she
the white
soaked, so they'll
beans,
cook up
yeah.
real quick. I started. I'm talking for. I got this. You run the house. I got this. Delroy wanted to be
You see
director
the
of the
smell?
film. I love it.
The
Show them the
smell?
stove. That was the first thing we showed them was the stove. How cool is that?
This stove is called fire stove.
Uh-huh.
Fire stove.
Fire stove.
Yeah, man.
Thank you. And we have white navy beans
And pizza, huh?
and pizza and
Yeah.
hot dog.
Yeah.
What's that
It's
for?
chicken sauce. Oh, no, turkey sauce.
You're gonna put that in the beans.
No, this is for the pizza.
Oh, so
Yeah.
she makes it work, boy. This is Italian cooking, Jamaican style. I like it. Now, what's this in this jar? Oil? Olive oil.
Olive oil and
Right. And coconut oil.
Yeah, I mix
So these are the two oils that she uses here.
two natural oil.
Fabulous. Two natural oils.
Yeah, I prefer.
Now, do you have a chef name that you call yourself? Chef what?
What?
What's your cooking name?
The bean soup.
No,
Italia.
your name.
My name, Marilena.
Marilena, the cook. Fabulous chef. Marilena. And she can come cook for you. When you come to Jamaica, you can contact her and she can cater your little event.